It's been a while since I reached out, but I wanted to reconnect with you and say hello and also let you know that for those of you who missed the workshop a few weeks ago, Blueprint for Success, no worries. I am having another workshop on Saturday, November 7th. So mark your calendars. We are right at the end of September. So it's a little more than 5 weeks, 6 weeks out. So I wanted to give you a heads up. And in the emails that will follow, I will tell you more about what the experience is. This is a workshop unlike others that you have attended, I promise you. We've all heard about purpose. We know we are here for purpose, and we know that there is a plan for our lives already. And many times we make choices in our careers and our relationships and different things that might not be as satisfying to us as they once were. And so it might be time for a shift to get more in alignment with who you are. So, how do you know who you are? Well, obviously, you have become very much acquainted with your likes, your dislikes, your talents, your abilities, your skills. But this is deeper than that. This is about purpose. Like, what did God design you to do uniquely? Because whatever He designed you to do, no one else can do it, and you have the unique blueprint and the design to do it. So, have you discovered what that is yet? So, this is a journey. It's an excavation tool, as I mentioned before. So, mark your calendars for November 7th. Invite your friends. I will send out messages all the way up until then to just keep engaged and keep in contact with you to really focus on you because this is about you. You're a professional woman, you've achieved a lot. This is about you. And achievements are great. I believe that God rejoices when we achieve things. But there's another layer to that. So stick with me and we will do this journey together. So until we talk again, bye for now and have a great week.